Alright guys, welcome back to the video on the Ghost Flash channel. Today's video will be installing all of these parts that I bought the same day I purchased my brand new 2020 Harley Davidson Iron 883. Now, and in these boxes right here, a rear seat kit is gonna consist of a seat that bolts into here, rails bolt into here and here, the seat rest that comes up the side or at the back of the bike with a pad on it, and foot pegs along the side. I will now show you guys the parts while I unbox them. This box, as you guys can see on the picture, foot pegs. Looks like more hardware. Mounting bracket for the foot pegs, so I'll go ahead and put that box with that. The rear seat cushion. Detachable side plates, I was correct. Okay, the second seat. Now I'm guessing this is going to be the bracket that the back of the seat will attach to. I'm hoping this all comes with instructions because I definitely don't know what I'm doing. And I am correct. Alright, so first I'm going to have to unscrew this flathead and unscrew this Phillips head. Now obviously you put them somewhere where you know you're not going to lose them, because once you lose them, you're probably not going to get them back. Alright, so it was a little more complicated than I thought. Take off the seat. Consisted of one flathead bolt right here and then a 13mm bolt right here dead center that you have to get from in between the tire and the rear fender to get off. It's actually very difficult to get off, but I was able to get it. Alright, so now I'm gonna have to unscrew these two Allen head bolts right here. The rear seat is gonna slide on like this and then bolt in right here where those two bolts I'll be unbolting. So as you guys can see, it is now assembled. So it provided two bolts. You had to unbolt the stock bracket, use the aftermarket bracket that came with the new rear two-up seat. Came with two Torx bits or Torx bolts, screwed them in, then you inserted the straps into these little locations here that are provided on the factory seat. Flip it over, it is now one complete seat, so ready to bolt up right back to the chassis of the motorcycle. Alright, so the rear seat is now installed. It took the one factory Phillips head bolt to push right back into here, a 13mm bolt that went underneath this rear fender in between the tire and the fender, and then it just slides right into a bracket right here located in the front of the bike. So after I finish doing those, I'm going to go ahead and start on the side brackets that go right here on the sides, and then move to the rear portion of the seat. So Matt over here got this foot peg on for me, but it doesn't stay up like it's supposed to.
Oh yeah, you were late.
That don't matter. Okay. And then this side, so you're gonna take off this bolt. This bolt is a T40, and then this one looks like it's finished. Install this bracket right here with these two, I don't know what you call those. You were late. Washers, some sort of thing, and then it just slides into place and unlocks and locks. Once I figure out how to do it, don't know how to really do it. Oh, like that.
Robert's putting the bracket on.
Wait a minute.
Maybe. Oh, he already drew.
And this is gonna go on the inside somewhere.
Oh.
Here, you can't get a good angle on it.
Oh.
The trick is
I'm making that face. Ha ha.
I did it! So this is gonna slide into here, and this is gonna slide like this.
Latch.
And this latch is gonna push this down. Okay. Make sure this latch is lined up. Oh,
You got that shit latch?
that's cool that they give you an option.
Wonder if the actual camera means it's dying, right?
Yeah.
It's dying. We're back. Now we're with Mondo. He's screwing some stuff.
Oh yeah.
Unscrewing some stuff here.
Screwing some stuff. What do you want, Robert?
The rear seat is done. Actually, it looks kind of comfy, to be honest. Like, I kind of want to sit on the back of my own bike now. Like, if I kept this on, I could just chill at work and just sit on it. One foot peg. We're just one foot peg away from finishing. Yeah, you might as well just take off the mufflers while we're at it, huh?
Alright, so Robert forgot to film. You know, we got the exhaust off, and then he got his little peg on there. And he's tightening everything.
Hey, I wasn't asking questions. I was just like, whatever I need, just put it in. Well, that's done. So now we gotta put the exhaust pack on and it's complete.
Let's see those legs, Matt! Yeah! Supposed to be.
You're gonna feel a lot less power now.
It's fun.
Alright guys, so once again, I'm in the bathroom. Forgot to film out the outro. If I sound a little different, my allergies are kicking me in the butt right now and I'm very stuffed and congested. Anyways, if you guys liked today's video, drop a like. Let me know what you thought about the install on the bike and the new 2-up seat with the whole shebang going on with it. Installed basically the 2-up seat, installed the strap and the foot pegs as well as the rear mount seat. Anyways, if you guys want to see more content on the 2020 Iron 883 and you guys want to see maybe an exhaust come next or maybe something else, let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, like, comment, and subscribe, and I guess catch you guys in the next video. Peace.